Hello friends, today I'm going to try fixing this Breville machine and see if I'm going to be able to do that. I got those valves. I think the issue is with this valve right here. So I'm going to replace this valve and see if it works. If it works, that's good for me. So this is the solenoid valve. It's three-way solenoid valve, and I'm going to install it right here. If I'm gonna be able to repair it, then that would be amazing. I will be really happy. It's my own machine, so I can do with this whatever I want. I can sell it, I can do what I want. I have a couple more of these Brevilles, but let's see if I can get this one. I don't want to get too happy too fast, but I'm going to replace this one and see if it's gonna work. So I'm just gonna disconnect the two clips here. Oh, it sits pretty good. Okay. Okay, got it. So two clips out. Yeah, those clips, it's pretty good here. Wow. Well, usually they come out way easier than that. Okay. So three-way valve out. Now let's get this one installed right here. We need to get the O-ring outside. I'm a little bit excited, so I don't want to go too fast. So I'll put the clips back here. Wow, this clips is pretty tight. Usually they're not that tight, but okay, whatever. I guess it's a good thing. I don't know, we'll see. And the O-rings are still in good condition, so I'm just gonna relocate them. So hopefully that's all what it is. Worst case, I will have to replace this one as well, but I think I'm just gonna start with one inlet. Worst case, I will have to do it with the second one. That's one. Now that's the second one. Alright, now let's put this one back in. Oh, one sec, I just need to put this connection back up. Like this. And now let's get this inlet back in place. I'm not going to secure it, I'm just going to connect everything and then see if it works. If it works, then I will connect it, and most likely I will sell it because I don't need this machine and it just takes place. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna put everything back in place. Okay, so first you take this O-ring out and put it on this hose, and then this O-ring will go back in place. And this, oh, I forgot something here. There we go. Then you remove the second O-ring right here, and you put this O-ring back in place as well. And I think we are almost good for the electrical connections. And the last one is going to be, hey, where's my last O-ring? Hope I didn't lose it. I have lots of other ones, but I just want to see. Okay, I'm gonna come back in a second with the other O-ring. Okay, this O-ring should be here somewhere. There's lots of them. Just want to find it. I think that's the one. Now I'm gonna test it, put the electrical back on, and hopefully it's gonna work. Alright, so we have the hot wires. There's the ground. We'll go here. And here's the other ones. There's one more hot wire here. Just trying to find it. Oh. It's actually this one goes here. And this one goes right there. Okay, so now we have the electrical. It's not secured yet. I just want to test it. I'm gonna come back, I'll run it and see if it works. Alright, I'm ready for testing. Okay, let's see if this solenoid is completely busted. It should work now, but let's see. Before it used to buzz, so let's check it out now. That's the same exact issue as before. Yeah. And actually that's a new pump too. Well, I'm gonna leave it for right now. I'm not sure what's the issue here. It's actually a new pump, so I don't think the issue with the pump here. I suspect the control board is faulty. Well, I tried, but yeah, unfortunately it didn't work out. So that's a fail. I suspect the control board here is faulty, and I have a few of them, but it's require more work, so I'm just gonna leave it alone for now. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, you can comment below. Take care. Bye.